I come from Tripura. When we come here to England, we hear about the immigration policy. When I come here to the UK, we hear about the great contributions of the British Raj to our country. I come from Northeast, a part of Tripura which was never under British India, which was independent, which had its own culture, which has its own culture, which has its own language, and today you will see a small showcase of it. We have taken a 3,000-mile journey to London, not because it was a holiday for us, it's because I want to go and tell my younger generation, be proud of what you are. You may eat, you may look, you may dress slightly differently, but be proud of showcasing your culture.
Its grand legacy of being one of the only kingdoms in India where the Britishers and other foreign rulers could not intervene. Tripura.
Fadi